All right. Greetings and salutations, Earthlings, and welcome to another fun-filled, action-packed episode of Live in the 55. Today, we're going to be installing the parking lights, and we're going to be installing them into the fiberglass front end supplied to us by Unlimited Products at racingfiberglass.com. Now, what have we got here? Well, we've got an original equipment parking light. It's beat to crap. It's seen around the world. It's been there and back, and we're not trying to make this car a concourse quality show piece. What we're trying to do is put it together as a rat rod, drive it around a bit, rip around and have some fun. That's exactly what we're doing. As you can see, a little close-up of this light, busted on the end, it's pitted, the chrome isn't so great, it's seen better days. Who knows where it's been, but it's here now, and it's going in the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some basically flathead screws in here. We're going to bolt them in from the other side. I'm going to do some time lapse and show you along the way, and that's what we're up to today. Now, part of what I'm doing here is I can't decide which parking light I want where. I know this seems pretty trivial, but this one is pretty bad, but it's not terribly bad. This one's got more patina on it because it's got a crack on the side. I'm just not sure which one I want where. Do I want it on that side or do I want it on this side? I think I'm going to put it on that side because the crack part will be on the outside and it'll be easier to see, and I kind of want that to be seen. So that's where we're going to roll with it. All right, well, since perfection is not the name of the game, I think it's perfect. Now, that's not going to work because we need to drill these out with a larger drill bit just on the surface so that the head of the 1024 sits flush with the actual lamp surround. Now, you've heard the term coyote ugly. This isn't quite coyote ugly, but it's ugly. And we're okay with that. Because as it rolls down the road, with the new lenses in it, it's going to look que bella. Well, I'll tell you what, that's in there. Let's sneak a lens on it just to see what it looks like. As all old stuff is, I've got to drill and tap two of these holes in here because, well, one of them is free, but the other one has a broken half of a bolt in it, so we got to drill that out so we have something to put in there. But one of them's clear, and I have the bolt for it, or screw rather. We're going to put that in. There you go. And so here it is. We've got parking lights installed. Not a big piece of the puzzle, but a piece of the puzzle nonetheless. And in typical rat rod style, we got them in there in a way that they're not supposed to be. But that is functional and aesthetically pleasing at the same time. All right, guys, so here it is. One piece at a time. Another piece of the puzzle. We've got parking lights installed in the Chevy. Now, you might think it's not much, but for me it is, because just like I said, it's another piece in the puzzle. So we're getting there, every bit inching closer. Soon we're going to rip this thing around and it's going to be a lot of fun. So stay tuned. I'll give you a closer up look. We got some time lapse, some other stuff to throw at you. And thanks again for joining us once again, live in the 55.